Hi.
2, 1.
Hi, this is Chef Matt, Executive Chef at Temple Court, and today I'm going to show you our white asparagus carbonara. So here we have thinly shaved white asparagus from France. We shave it on the slicer, very thin, and then now we're going to blanch it. So into boiling water. Because it's so thin, it's only going to need around 45 seconds, to cook. Meanwhile, I'm rendering my guanciale, which is the jowl of the pork. So my asparagus is done. I'm going to let them drain. I don't want too much extra water inside, so that way I don't water down my sauce. So I'll shake off all that excess. Make sure your water is well salted as well. Here I have very simple egg yolk. And I just want to mix the two together. A little touch of salt. Mix very well to incorporate all the egg yolk. The asparagus will excrete some water, not like making a normal carbonara, which some of the pasta water you kind of want to get the starchiness into your egg.